What is up, YouTube? Today I got a few tools I ordered online. I'm gonna share them with you. I'll give you the prices. Try and link them in the description below. First one up, Southwire electrical test kit. I think this was $40, if I'm not mistaken. Son of a gun. Let's see what we got here. This, I have this stuff in different brands, but Southwire is a brand I see out there a lot, and I kind of just wanted to test it out. And comes with some leads here. Comes with batteries. It's actually see the meter here. Kind of dig it. It has a little stand. You can stand it up. No clip, but there is spots for the leads on the back here to be placed in. Boom. Or you can face them the other way. Doesn't matter. But, well, yes, it does matter, because there's a freaking slot for the freaking thing. So there you go. I'll be honest with you, I mean, professional or homeowner, if you're a DIYer, this ain't a bad price for the kit and what you get. You got your outlet tester. Does not do GFI. Does not have a GFI button. And then you have your non-contact voltage meter, which, what am I pulling here? There we go. Let's try out these batteries that we get here with this thing. Wasn't gonna put a video up today, but got this stuff in the mail, so figured I would. I just want to thank everyone coming out last night, hanging out on the channel, on the live stream, and also thank you to all the channels that hopped on with us. It was a fun time, lots of good conversation and lots of nonsense, but overall it was a great night, so I appreciate it. Let's see here. Yep, there we go. Got a little, it's not too bad. A little light at the end. And it looks like it's pretty decent. There's some of these that are just absolute garbage, where you could be right here by the plug and it just starts going off. So that's fucking shit. I'm gonna do obvious further testing on all this stuff, but that's not too bad there. And on this here, I'm figuring the battery is smaller, a lot smaller screwdriver there. Sorry, I wasn't thinking of really opening these things up here and popping batteries in. I should have known that would have been the fucking case, though. Man, oh man. Come on, there you go, there you go. It's nice that it comes with some batteries, you know? It's a nice touch. But yeah, so I've been buying into Southwire a little bit, and their products seem pretty awesome. Fairly good on the price. And as always, they work for me. There's actually a it's like a piece of rubber up there to make sure that the battery goes in nice and tight. There's your fuses. Quick screw down. Quick screw down. It's not bad. There is no, the screen is not lit. There's no button to make it lit. I don't know if that's a deal breaker. But like I said, this kit for around the house, you know, I think it's a pretty good deal there. For sure. Actually, I might need that. Sorry about this. Alright, the next thing up on our list of goodies. These are Casoman socket trays. I really don't have any organization for sockets. I know there's a bunch of people out there and a bunch of options. I think these were like $18 a piece. 1/4 inch, 3/8, half. I got 2 of them, separate metric and standard. They have detent balls on the sides. Have a little handle on the end there. No magnets, not magnetic. But it will definitely keep my socket drawer nice and neat. Adding these in there, I'm pretty excited about it. And last but not least, is the Vera stainless. These are insulated screwdrivers. This is my first Vera product. To be honest, on insulated screwdrivers I have at home, I got my Stanleys. I like them, I enjoy them. At work, I'm just using crummy ones. I did buy this Ouija, and I thought it was a cool idea. It's insulated, it's changeable bits. You got storage in the top for all the bits. It comes with flatheads. I think there's a number 3. I could have sworn there's a Robertson in here. But I thought, wow, that's cool, all in one. But so it's kind of, I don't know, it's a magnetic tip, and it comes big here, and it kind of gets in your way. It's annoying. I don't know why they didn't just, I guess because of the bits, they have to find some way to get the bits to lock in there. But anyways, I thought this would be the only one I would have in my bag. But these were $34, $35 on Amazon. Maybe they're 40. Still thought it was a half decent deal. Got the holder, attaches to the wall. Got a sticker in there. And we got the screwdrivers. So they are marked on the tip, just the tip, you know, just the tip. They have, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's not going to show up, is it? You can see the end there. Pretty cool, man. They do feel good in the hand. I fucking hate saying that, but I do it. Definitely gonna put these to the test, that's for sure. These are gonna get some good use at work. Really pretty much all I need are these. But yeah, probably that, and that. Or maybe that, and that. There we go. And that. Fuck it, all of them. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm super excited about the Vera. And catch you guys all in the next one. Later.